So the Storm Prediction Center has issued an enhanced risk for today's severe weather outlook. I'm going to give you all a breakdown about today, tomorrow, and probably the next couple of weeks for weather.
So here is your supercell composite for today. It'll stretch. It's a pretty good high. It's a high amount stretching from central Texas up toward Pennsylvania. It's averaging around a 6 to 10, which is about 6 to 10 supercells that will have the potential of producing strong hail, strong wind, not strong hail, large hail, strong wind, and tornadoes. As you can see on your screen, there is a dry line. If it's really not, it's really easy to see, but there's a dry line on your screen there. Usually storms like to form along that dry line, which that dry line is stretching. It looks from the Kansas border down toward the Texas and Mexico border. So if you live along that line there, which is kind of hard to see, but if you do see and you're along that line, be weather aware. Here's your reflectivity radar. There's a lot of showers right now occurring throughout Oklahoma and Missouri, but as we move on through the day, Oklahoma or where the showers are right now will become more not as more severe as we move on. But as we move, the weather should start to ramp up in central Texas and maybe more up north. So tomorrow's risk, which will be on Easter Sunday, is more of a tornado and a wind threat because there's a 30 on the wind threat and a 10%, not just for tornadoes in general, that's a 10% for violent tornadoes, a 10% for violent tornadoes in that enhanced area. Here is the supercell composite for that date. I had to zoom in because it looked kind of weird. I don't know if it's messed up or not, but I had to zoom in just a bit so you could see, and maybe you can see what county you're in if you're watching this video. It's averaging from about a 10 to an 11, or not from a 10, a 5 to an 11, my bad, in the Oklahoma, or not Oklahoma, Missouri and Arkansas border. As you can see, I placed two graphics on your screen. Is like a supercell composite for the next, till about May 3rd. April 19th through 26th, you will have severe weather upticks in that area. Uptick means it's gonna start to ramp up in your area. So, it's like a lot of it has been happening down near Arkansas. It's now gonna be in this red area, a yellow, and these green and this blue area for both the graphics as you can on this screen. That will be it for this video. Always stay safe no matter if you're in even if you're in a marginal risk. I've never we've been in a marginal risk before and gotten a tornado warning. Stay safe and happy Easter.